Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the viral "What would you look like in a 1930s" video by using the CapCut templates. So here you just need to add two CapCut templates, and here click on the search column at the top and type in 1930s filter. Click on enter. Then here you'll find there are lots of templates that you can use. So for example, I'm going to try the first one. Click on the use template and select your photo from your gallery. So insert the photo. For example, I'm going to try to add this one. Click on next. Now CapCut will load the effects, so just wait until the result came out. So this is the final result for the photo that I insert to the template. So you can just click on export if you're satisfied with the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.